But I think some of them are
Abonura, one of them is given.
Look at just the second step.
Where? You this is one. Where, baby? Kukuchka. Usipane matumbo no wazi. Okay. Tinda pasengenda.
They come in here.
Oh my gosh, Andrewani Bapiro, my God.
They don't bite, right?
They don't bite. Oh, wow. Come, baby.
Okay.
Come, mommy. Come, baby. Oh my God. Wow.
Feed them.
Huh? Give them. Give me food. Give me food. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Don't come this side, please.
Pole pole. Oh, Becky, pole pole.
I'm just afraid.
Oh, fish, baby. Because when it's not going to go, I want to swim.
Yes.
Hmm?
They said you can swim with them.
How? How?
Just you swimming in the
You know the name. Oh, I thought maybe you will be on top of.
What? No. Serious?
Wow. Oh.
I thought it was easy to chill. I'm telling you. Be careful, oh.
Did you enjoy my?
I thought, but did you enjoy like maybe still need some but maybe could have really because I saw videos on it too.
And she's afraid.
Okay. One last.
In that opinion,
That's why they don't bite. Just let's keep it in mind that they don't bite.
Hey, but you have to come this side. Okay. You have to come this. Oh.
No.
No, it's enough.